My name is Gil Ray Ferrer and I play Shera as well as Taga-Kapatagan.
My name is Emmanuel Jr. O. Recalde, and I will be playing Buksong Hangin and Taga-Kapatagan number 4. To describe Buksong Hangin, isa siyang Diyos ng silangan na sobrang makapangyarihan at gusto niya talaga makuha si Shera. And baka malaman nyo kapag nanood kayo.
Shera is a character that holds a lot of emotion, holds a lot of drive and passion, as well as care for the people that she governs. Pero hanggang huli, meron siyang paninindigan. Shera Madre for me in one word is extraordinary.
Impactful. The story is really different. It's much more in-depth and there's a lot of lessons that the audience can take from the story.
Kung gusto nyo makakita ng creativity and socio-political commentary all in one, then Shera Madre is perfect for that. And alam kong tapos na ang Valentine's, mag-April na, mag-May na, pero kung gusto nyo yung kiligin, Shera Madre is the thing that you should watch. Thank you!